Copenhagen 1-5 Torino, Granata run rampant to secure qualification to next round. Torino thrashed Copenhagen 5-1 at the Telia Parken on Thursday evening in the last round of matches in the Europa League group stage. Amartey originally gave the Danes hope, but two red cards for Copenhagen's Mikael Antonsson and Matthias Jorgensen gave Torino the advantage. A Josef Martinez brace and goals for Amauri, Matteo, Darmian and Gaston Silva made sure that Torino walked away with all 3 points and qualification to the knockout stages. Copenhagen were already eliminated from the competition, so they were just playing for pride. And luck was on their side when a Kamil Glik clearance hit the boot of Amartey and the Ghanian's deflection gave him a goal to put the Danish side in front. However, Torino were back in the game 10 minutes later when an excellent through ball was well controlled by Martinez, who, thanks to the questionable absence of the offside flag, slotted the ball past Copenhagen keeper Stefan Andersson. Torino were once again on the front foot 4 minutes later, when Martinez was through on goal, but the Danes were saved by the assistant referee's offside flag. Stålsålbacken's nightmare then began as Copenhagen were reduced to 10 men after half an hour, thanks to Antonsson pulling down Martinez on the edge of the penalty area. The Lions survived this first threat after the resulting free kick was deflected over the bar, but it only got worse for them when a penalty was awarded to Torino, and Copenhagen had another player sent off.